Hey friends, in today's video we are going to learn how to make an obstacle course in your home. And I know we all have different houses and different rules, and so I'm going to give you some general ideas so that you can make an obstacle course that fits your home. First off, I want to go over some ground rules. Rule number 1, you must follow your parents' rules. Okay, so if they have rules of the house, you have to follow them. And that means maybe some of you can't run in the house, and that's okay. We can still have a really fun obstacle course, and I'm going to show you how. Rule number 2. This might be messy, and you have to promise that you will clean up after yourself, okay? If you're going to make the mess to have the fun, you gotta be willing to clean it all up at the end. All right, now that we have that covered, I am going to show you the different ways that you can move through your obstacle course. You can bear crawl, crab walk, army crawl, walk backwards, with your dog if you want, do high knees, or anything else you could think of. Next, think about where in your house you can or can't go. Maybe your parents' office or your sibling's bedroom is off limits. In my house, I'm going to start upstairs, go down the hallway, down the stairs, through another hallway, into the living room, dining room, and maybe out into my backyard. Check with your parents to see what areas of the house you can and can't use. Let's think about the materials we're going to use in our spaces. It's easiest to think about the pre-existing objects that are already in the place. For example, I have a coffee table in my living room, so maybe you could try army crawling under the table. I'm a little too big for mine. What objects do you have that you could use? Maybe you have a pool noodle that you could use as a balancing beam, or hula hoops that you could place and jump between. I'm going to take a look and see what I have. Once you've gathered your items, you can begin making your obstacle course. Okay, now that my obstacle course is made up, I'm going to draw a map, and I'm going to put each obstacle in my map, as well as the type of movement that you're going to do through each step. That way, you can know exactly what you're doing each time. Ginger, come here. Come here. My dog wanted to be in the video. That way, each way that you move through it, you know what you're doing, and if you wanted to share your obstacle course with someone else, they know exactly how to do it as well. This is the map I drew, and it isn't exactly what my house looks like, but it is the parts of the house that will be used during the obstacle course. This is a really important part of your map. It's called the legend. It is the part of your map that decodes the symbols so that you know exactly what the symbol means. For example, the dashed line means hop on mine. So if you're going to share your map with someone, this is really important to put in there. Now that you've completed your obstacle course, you have a few options about what you can do. You can run through your obstacle course with a timer and try to beat your best time, or you could teach a sibling how to do it as well, and you could take turns running through it. Something else that could be fun is changing the movements or moving around the obstacles a little bit. The different options that you have are endless and up to your imagination. So get creative and have fun. You might not be able to tell, but I am holding onto the railing. If you use stairs, make sure you hold onto the railing and be safe. Now, the final and possibly most important step, don't forget to clean up after yourself. All right, thanks for participating and have fun. Bye for now.